So I wish you could have seen, for the basis of comparison, how this bathroom looked before it had this shower head combo. It's basically the basic shower head that comes in every house that is, well, nothing to write home about. But with this new addition of both shower heads, now the bathroom has a nice new modern look to it. You see? The colors are modern, the and of course stainless free, and it's so convenient that you can do whatever you want with it. You can adjust it to your height to make the experience better for yourself. So it's just beautiful, convenient, and futuristic, even modern looking. Super recommended.